Alright, what's up guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can make videos for your YouTube, how you can download free videos and upload to your YouTube and build a new channel so you can start making money on YouTube. You don't have to make videos or anything like that. So this method I'm gonna show you where you can get free videos and where you can get free audio and upload videos without copyright or anything like that. So just follow these steps. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is open your browser. For this I'm using the Google Chrome. So you're gonna go to the first website, and the first website is Pexels. Just search for Pexel, and this is the official site. Make sure you go to the official site. So this is the first site, so you go into this. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is download videos from this website. So this website is about free videos and stuff like that. So as you can see, these are free stuff, no copyright or anything like that. So you're gonna have to click on videos and just scroll down. As you can see, these are free videos you can upload to your YouTube account and build a new channel and make money just within a very limited time, because people watch this kind of stuff on YouTube. So you can search for whatever you want. Just search right here. You can, if you want to upload videos about dogs, you can scroll down, click on dog, and right here as you can see multiple videos of dogs. As you can see, you can click on any of those and watch. Let's click on this and watch. So I want to show you something, guys. So right here as you can see free to use. So these videos are free to use. You can download these videos and upload to your YouTube. This video doesn't have any sound, so we're gonna have to add a music or maybe an audio to this. So I'm gonna show you guys how, so please stick to the end of the video. So for this I'm gonna download this video. So you can download as many video as you want, maybe 5. So the video you're gonna make is gonna be longer, and you can put that on YouTube, maybe like 10 minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes video. So you're gonna have to download this kind of video, like maybe 5, 6, 7, so you can join them and make a full video, just one video, a single video, and upload it to YouTube. So we're gonna click on free download. So just wait for it to load, and right here as you can see the video is downloaded right now, as you can see. So that's all you gotta do. This website you can download free videos, free anything, just anything basically. You can search for any category and download any kind of video, and these videos are free. That's the coolest part. So these videos are free. I'm going to download 2 other videos just for this video, this example, this tutorial. So I'm going to download 2 more videos. I'm going to download this. And make sure when you're downloading these videos, make sure you check if it's free, because every video on this website is free, but you just gotta check. So as you can see right here, it says free to use, so you don't have to worry about copyright or anything like that. So you can get these videos. So I'm gonna download this also. So make sure you download as many as you want, so that you can make a longer video to upload to your YouTube. So I'm downloading another one. So okay, I'm gonna click on this. I'm gonna I'll download this. As you can see, this one also is free to use, so you can get these videos. So I'm gonna download this also. So I'm gonna make use of these 3 videos just for this tutorial, this video. And okay, so right now we already have 3 videos. I'm gonna join together and make a single video so I can put to YouTube. So we already done with the first step. So now we're gonna go into the second step. Open a new tab and search for Internet Archive. Alright, just click on it, and this is the official website for Internet Archive. Make sure you go to the official website. So this is the website. Just click on it and open the website. So this website, you can get free audio from this website. You can also get videos from this website, but this website we're gonna get audio from this website. So let's click on audio. Okay, you can even search for the kind of audio you want. So let's go into the all audio, for example. Right here you can find different kind of audios you can listen to, but I'm gonna go into a different section. So I'm gonna click on audio and go into audio books and poetry. So we just click on that, and right here we can get free audio of people talking. So we can add to the videos that we downloaded, and we can make a single video and then upload to YouTube. The next thing we're gonna do is open CapCut, because I'm using CapCut to make this video for this tutorial. So if you want to download CapCut, I have another video that you can watch how you can download CapCut. So please check my other videos to know how you can download CapCut and how you can use it. So this video I'm gonna be using CapCut, so I'm gonna open CapCut. So this is CapCut. If you want to learn how you can download this, I have other videos so you can watch that. So this is CapCut. So this is where we're gonna edit the videos. We can add you can add as many videos as you want. Add right here, then you drag them right here, and you can also add audio from this app. That's just free music you can use, no copyrights, no issues. And you can also add the audio that you downloaded, on the audio of people talking. You can add it in this app. So I'm gonna go back, just click on one of these, and you can even listen to them and just figure out the ones you want to download. Scroll down, and right here you can see, just click on MP3. As you can see right here, click on this, and as you can see, just click on download. This is download. Click on it, and right here you can even listen to them. So I'm just gonna click on these 3 dots right here and click on download. And as you can see right here, this is the audio downloading right now. So it's done. So I'm gonna go back. When you go into Pexels, make sure you choose the kind of videos you want to start uploading to YouTube. Don't just download any videos and upload. Make sure you choose, if it's dog videos you want to upload, make sure you download like maybe 10, because these videos are sometimes maybe just few seconds or maybe a minute or more. So just download more videos so you can make a longer video when you add all of them together. So what you're gonna do is figure out the kind of videos you want to put on YouTube. So when you download these videos from Pexels, go into Internet Archive, go into audio and scroll down and click on one of these. I'm gonna select this. I think I already downloaded one of the chapters from this. This is it. So you can listen to this, or you can scroll down and download right here and click on download. That's all you gotta do. So it's a simple process. And also click on these 3 dots and click on download. So that's all you gotta do. So when you're done with that, now open CapCut. So right now we're back in CapCut. So I'm gonna upload those videos in CapCut and also upload the audios in CapCut, and also put I'm gonna put the audio of the ebook in CapCut and make a single video. So now I'm gonna upload the video. Okay, this is one of the video. Okay, now these are the 3 videos, so I'm gonna drag them down. This is how you can make videos on CapCut. So drag the second video down, and also the third. So now the videos, we are done with the videos. Now we're gonna add audio. Now you're gonna need to adjust the length of the audio. Adjust the length and make it this way. Just make it align with the video. The audio length has to be the same with the video length. So now the last thing we need to do is upload the audio of the ebook that we downloaded. So we're gonna go back into media, import, and look for the audio that you downloaded on the ebook. And this is the ebook. I'm gonna need to drag it down, and we're done. This is it. The video, the audio, and the ebook. So you need to adjust the ebook to make sure it's the same length with the audio and the video. So you're gonna need to go to the side, just long press, click on the screen and drag to the side so you can find the length on the ending of the audiobook. And the audio is this long because I think it's 7 minutes or so. So you're gonna need to drag back. Just keep dragging back. The ebook, the length of the ebook is longer than the length of the audio and the length of the video. I think the audio is 2 minutes, but the next thing you're gonna have to do is just make sure you adjust the volume and make sure the volume of the audio is not too loud, and the volume of the ebook is much louder than the volume of the audio. So click on play.
Volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Dramatis Personae, Jane Austen, read by Michelle.
So in the background you can hear the audio, and you can also hear the ebook. So that's how you make a video in CapCut. So the video is ready, the audio is ready, and the ebook is ready. So you're gonna go to the top right corner of your screen and click on export, and you can change the name for this, and make sure you click on video exporting and click on remove watermark. So to remove watermark, you're gonna have to log in. You're gonna have to log into your you're gonna have to log into your email. So right here, click on remove watermark and export. Click on export. So that's how you make a video in CapCut. So now the video is gonna be ready. So when the video is ready, all you gotta do is upload the video to your YouTube account. People doing this, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and drop a comment. Do this and drop a comment what you think. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.